Hello, welcome to my fourth tutorial on the HTML series. In our previous lessons, we learned about the paragraph and then the break tag. Please, if you've not watched our previous ones, I recommend you move back and then watch our series so that you can move along with us. And if you find this content very useful, please subscribe and share. Alright, so in this lesson, we will be looking at HTML comments. And when we talk of comments, comments are some text written in your code to give explanation about the code. Comments are mostly not visible to the user. It is mostly done to give much explanation about a particular line of code. And anything that you use in your comments do not actually appear on the browser. Comments are done using these tags: less than, exclamation, minus minus, then your contents comes in, then minus minus, and then greater than. So this is the HTML tag for comments. So now let's save it and then see how it is going to appear in the browser. So now let's save. We'll go to our documents. So now let's view the page source. Okay, so over here we can see the content over here, but since it has been placed in the comment tag, it is not actually visible to the user. So basically that is the work of comment. So it's used in adding explanation to our content. So we can write this is a content, this is a comment, sorry. All right, so if we save it and come to our browser, it has not actually formed part of the code. But if we are to take off the comments, if you are to take off the comment tag from it, now let's save it and then view it over here. So we can see it. This is a comment and then as it has appeared over here. So now let's practice how it is. And so let's try commenting this first paragraph. So to do that, you bring your less than, exclamation, minus minus, and where you want to end the comment, you bring the ending tag. So less than, minus minus, greater than. So now let's save it. Let's refresh our browser. You see it's no more there. But if we view the page source, we can see our first paragraph has been commented. So we can do same to the last paragraph. So to do it, less than, exclamation, minus minus, and where you want to end it. So it's not all the time that the ending should come at the last place. Assuming we want to end it over here, we can bring it minus minus, greater than, then we save it. Now let's refresh. So we can see part of it has been commented. So now let's view page source. So we can see it starts from here and then ends here. So basically that is all comment is used to add explanation to a line of code. Thank you for watching this series. If you find the content very helpful, kindly subscribe, share. If you have any question, you can place it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.